Good morning, everyone. I literally just crawled out of bed, and when I say literally, I actually mean it like 2 minutes ago. But I thought today might be kind of a fun video to do a morning routine video. I was planning on doing it more of a vlog style just because, you know what, I love watching these videos, I'll be honest, but everyone starts off their morning routine with a little clip of them waking up to their alarm, and like everybody in the world knows that they just got up, set their alarm for 1 minute later, and then went back and pretended to go to sleep again. So it seems kind of silly to me. I'm just gonna do this, take you along with me, get ready. This is a typical kind of morning for me. It's a Wednesday, so Wednesday is actually kind of my best day because I only have class, and I get to class, or I have to be at the law school at 10, and then I get to come home at like 3:30. So it's a good day. It's 6:30 right now, and I'm just gonna take you along with me as I kind of get ready for the morning. So my first thing that I'm gonna do is go kind of wash my face and stuff, and I should note that my goal, see, look at it, it's still kind of dark outside, there's fits. My goal every morning is to maximize the amount of time that I have to drink my coffee. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, I'm gonna bring you in here. This is my bathroom. I just sort of organized it a little bit for you guys yesterday. You can tell it's not like the best organized thing ever, but you know, I don't have a lot of storage in here, so we're gonna deal with it. My hair is a little messed up, but that is because I literally just did wake up. And yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is go to the bathroom. I'm not gonna be vlogging that because, come on. I'm gonna kind of wash my face, and then we are going to get dressed, okay? See you in a few. I lied. Quick change of plans. I'm gonna take a body shower. I didn't work out yesterday, so I didn't shower at all. So I'm just gonna not wash my hair. I'll just do some dry shampoo, but I'm gonna shower. And so I'll be back after that. Okay, just got out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair, as you can see. If I'm not gonna wash my hair, I just put it up in a bun like that. It doesn't get wet. And I should let you know, I did shave and I washed my face. And I used the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. This is a really old bottle. I know that the apricot scrub is not good for you because it creates like micro tears in the skin, but I've used that one. It's not as like the particles aren't as big as the ones in the apricot scrub, and so they're a little more gentle on the skin. But anyway, I use that. I have a tripod, so I'm gonna try to do this, or at least show you what I'm gonna use, because I just got out of the shower for my skincare because it's the day. I'm gonna be using my Trader Joe's Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer. This is a pretty lightweight moisturizer. I use this during the day, especially when I don't want to like be getting oily or anything. And then another thing I got on my BoxyCharm. Do you like my organization here? Isn't it fabulous? It's the worst. There it is. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage for, you know, I just woke up, you can see face is a little puffy. This will help depuff it and make it nice and cool. So I'm gonna leave you in a second and then come back when I'm done with that, okay? So you can see I just put the Dr. Brandt stuff on. I'm gonna rub that in. It is an orange. You can see it's an orange product, and it's really cooling, so you're supposed to use it around your eyes. I'm like not being very gentle with this, but also this is my left hand, so you know, be nice. And yeah, you can see it doesn't really make a huge difference, but it's really cooling on the skin and it feels really good in the morning. And also, do you see my tan lines? Do you see that? I've been running outside and it's been so warm, unlike it's how it's supposed to be today. It's not supposed to be any warm. So basically, anyway, that is my morning kind of skincare routine. It's nothing crazy. I am not like all that knowledgeable about skincare, so that's just what I do in the mornings. And now I think we're gonna go get dressed. Okay, getting dressed time. This is my closet. You can see I've decorated it with all of my nice little bibs from all the races I've run. Go check my times. And anyway, this is my very disorganized closet. And this is actually organized compared to how it used to be. By the way, I'm gonna apologize in advance about the video quality on this because my lighting in my room is just not that good. Okay, and then this is my dresser where I keep a lot of like t-shirts and workout clothes and jeans. It has been systematically destroyed by fits. Do you see that? You know what, if you have a cat, you know that their purpose in life is to destroy anything you love. Okay, so it is supposed to be cooler today. Let's check the weather. So yeah, it's supposed to be cold today. It is 41. Let's go to the hourly. So yeah, 42, 42, and it's just supposed to get not very warm for April. And it's raining right now. So we're gonna wear something a little bit warmer. Let's pick out the outfit. I'm thinking something really easy today. I don't want to wear my rain Chelsea boots, also from Target. Let's do my universal thread lighter wash jeans. I'll make my bed too, guys. Hold on. These guys with maybe like a long sleeve t-shirt. I'm gonna see how this looks. This is a long sleeve t-shirt also from Target in kind of a green color. And yeah, let's just start with that, okay? I'm going to be using the 1 in a Million lotion from Bath & Body Works before I go ahead and put my clothes on. This is a really good smelling body lotion. I use this every single day pretty much, and it's actually surprisingly moisturizing. So I'm gonna go lather up in that, and then I will meet back with you after I have my clothes. All right, okay, terrible lighting, but this is the look that I am wearing right now. Super simple, just the green shirt and then the jeans, and then my cute little LL Bean slippers, and then high fits. Thank you, honey. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed. Sorry that the focus went out there. That's kind of a pain in the butt. But anyway, I look fabulous right now. I'm gonna be doing my makeup later on after I have my coffee because I want some more natural light to do it, and it's still pretty early. But here's the finished bed. Nothing special. I literally just like pull the sheets up. It looks kind of gross, but whatever. Leave my PJs there, and yeah, that's it. Let's go make coffee. So guys, this morning is the real deal. You are in my kitchen. It is kind of a small kitchen, so it's not the best organized. But anyway, I'm going to be making coffee and then like doing a few chores while that is boiling. So yeah, this is gonna be like my how to make coffee too. Look, I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. We're in, you know, my morning routine, but we're making coffee too. Anyway, let me recycle this. Oh my god, I wasn't recording. I thought I was. Anyway, you're on my stove right now. Don't worry, it's not hot, and I kind of centered you on the coffee making area here. I'm gonna make a French press today, and I'm using my Bodum little single serve coffee thing. I got this from Target when it was like Christmas time. This was one of their little Christmas freebie things. And anyway, I put 2 little spoonfuls of ground up of this coffee. This is the Trader Joe's like medium blend. Not bad coffee for the price. And now we're gonna fill this and put the kettle on. So we gotta wait for that to boil. Oh my goodness, you can see how nasty my kitchen is. It's just like, ugh. So I'm gonna do a few chores this morning. Usually in the mornings I have to do a few things that I was too lazy to do last night. So I'm gonna wipe down the kitchen, and I'm also going to unload some dry or wet clothes onto the drying rack. Okay, I'm gonna take a pause on my laundry and I'm gonna go ahead and put the water to brew the grounds because it has already boiled, and I want to, while I'm finishing this, let this brew so I can have my coffee right away. So what you want to do is first, listen, and I'm not like the most apt coffee maker, is do the bloom or whatever. So you just wet the grounds. Let that soak in for a little bit. And then I just fill up to my desired amount of coffee. Set the top on. And then I let that brew for 4 minutes or so. And then while that's finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these clothes. Oh, I should note, by the way, I actually don't use the dryer. I just use the washing machine, and then I always air dry my stuff, mostly because our dryer doesn't work. And it's also good for the environment. So, you know, save a tree, save some energy bills, win-win. Okay, now that laundry is done, we're gonna finish up the coffee because it is done brewing. But first, I need a glass of water because I haven't had one all night and I'm really thirsty. Whew. Over to the coffee. It is done brewing. It's been just over 4 minutes. We're going to take my Trader Joe's soy milk. This is in the vanilla flavor. Grab a mug. You can tell that I am a mug aficionado. This one's cute, Target. Due to unfortunate circumstances, I'm awake. Okay, now I get to enjoy my favorite part of the morning. Is just the quiet sipping of coffee. Come with me. Have a coffee too. Okay, I am ready to enjoy my coffee. Ooh, I should put it on a coaster. Bad Maddie. And I turned all the lights off because I just like to kind of enjoy the morning, maybe play around on my phone a little bit, but it is a little dark right now because it is raining and it's also only 7:17. So yeah, I did all that in like 45 minutes. You know. I'm a morning person though, I love the morning. I'm not, despite what this mug says, I actually really like getting up in the morning. So why don't you just join me, I'll speed you through my enjoyment of the coffee and I'll meet you back afterwards. Okay, you guys, I think it is just light enough for me to do some quick makeup here. I am going to get that done, bring out my hair stuff, and really quickly do that. We're not doing anything very fancy today, but I will be right back. Got the products I need in here. Got my mirror. We'll put the mirror right here on this side. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair really quickly. I am just gonna pull my hair back today. I don't wanna do anything crazy, so let's do this. Take the hair, ow, that hurt. This is dry shampoo, by the way. This is Not Your Mother's and the Beach Babe. Yeah, so you just gotta sort of run your fingers through, get that sort of ashiness away. And now we are going to do my makeup. So, there we go, that works, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face one more time just so this acts as like a primer. And then super easy look today. This is really similar to my 3 product look that I did. I will link that up in the eye. So I'm using my Morphe High Impact Highlighter palette, Cover FX palette to set, my old e.l.f. HD concealer. I do prefer the Camo concealer, but I only have it in 1 shade, and my skin's a little light right now because I am in the process of doing another video for you guys that requires pale skin. So I'm gonna use this today since it's in a lighter shade. I have a Jordana Best Lash Extreme Mascara, great mascara for $3. And then one last thing, a teeny tiny sample of the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, just so I can do my brows. Okay, that's the finished look, but as you can see, I got a little bit of mascara here. So the trick to this is you have to wait for it to dry, and it should be dry by now, and I will be right back. Yeah, so you gotta get a Q-tip, wait for it to dry, because if you don't, it will smudge everywhere and you'll have to redo your makeup. But wait for it to dry and then just take it off. Okay, it's fine. Anyway, that is it. That is the finished look. Very easy. It took me 5 minutes, if that. And that is my morning routine. I'm done. I'm ready for the day. All I gotta do is throw my shoes on and get out the door. Okay, you guys, so that is basically it for my routine in the mornings. Obviously, I have to go like brush my teeth and put my shoes on and leave, but that is the bulk of what I do. I'm gonna be doing that stuff kind of later because I still do have a little bit of coffee to finish, and I have a few hours before I actually have to leave the apartment. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be editing this video, hopefully getting it up for you guys. But I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Let me know if there's anything that I didn't do in the mornings that you have to do every single morning. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.